The Republic of Singapore Navy, RSN, announced via its official Facebook page that its lead Formidable-class frigate, RSS Formidable, had carried out a successful live-fire test of the Aster 30 surface-to-air missile. The operation, which took place near Toulon, France, involved the interception and neutralization of an aerial drone threat, showcasing the RSN's advancing capacity to engage and defeat modern airborne targets. This event is a significant demonstration of Singapore's growing maritime defense proficiency, particularly against the backdrop of evolving drone and unmanned aerial system threats. The Aster 30 missile's accurate engagement of a dynamic airborne target confirms both the weapon system's combat readiness and the operational competence of the crew under real-time combat conditions. Such exercises validate not only the missile's performance but also the complex decision-making and coordination chain between radar systems, command modules, and launch systems. Top Navy leadership, including Rear Admiral Sean Watt, Singapore's Chief of Navy, and Fleet Commander Rear Admiral Kwan Han Chuang, observed the launch firsthand aboard the RSS Formidable. Their presence underscored the strategic weight of the test and affirmed the RSN's commitment to strengthening its integrated defense capabilities. The success of the live-fire event was made possible through close collaboration with French defense organizations such as DSTA, the Marine Nationale, Défense Méditerranée, SECMD, and the Direction Générale de l'Armement. This partnership exemplifies Singapore's focus on enhancing interoperability with international allies in support of regional and global maritime security. RSS Formidable, designated with hull number 68, is the first of 6 Formidable-class frigates, a fleet based on France's Lafayette-class design. Built under a bilateral agreement with France's naval group, formerly DCNS, the first ship was constructed in France, with the remainder produced in Singapore by ST Marine. RSS Formidable was launched in early 2004 and joined the RSN's operational ranks in 2007, embodying Singapore's investment in domestic shipbuilding and defense autonomy. Engineered for all-domain warfare, the Formidable class is equipped to confront threats from air, surface, and underwater domains. Each vessel carries a 32-cell silver vertical launch system capable of firing both Aster 15 and Aster 30 missiles. Additional weaponry includes Boeing Harpoon anti-ship missiles, an Oto Melara 76mm super rapid gun, and Eurotorpe 244/S Mod 3 torpedoes for anti-submarine operations. The suite is integrated with a Thales Heracles multifunction radar and sophisticated battle management systems, making the frigate's formidable command and control platforms at sea. Central to the test was the Aster 30 missile, developed by Eurosam, a collaboration between MBDA and Thales. Designed for long-range air defense, the missile can tackle a broad range of aerial threats including jets, drones, cruise missiles, and ballistic projectiles. Measuring nearly 5 meters in length and reaching speeds over Mach 4.5, the Aster 30 features inertial guidance with mid-course updates and an active radar homing system for high-precision targeting in contested electromagnetic environments. Its vertical launch and high agility enable it to counter simultaneous multidirectional threats such as drone swarms or saturation missile attacks. This successful missile intercept represents a leap forward in Singapore's naval defense posture. As irregular and unmanned threats continue to evolve worldwide, exercises like these are vital to ensure defense forces remain adaptive and resilient. The Aster 30's performance affirms the RSN's capability to defend strategic sea lines and sustain a credible deterrence force in an increasingly complex maritime theater.